Good morning, YouTube. It's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and I'm working on a little project for a buddy. He dropped off a garden hose stand from his yard, and I'm going to do a little repair work. So stay with me and let's see how it goes. Alright, so this is the garden hose stand. It has 3 spikes that you bury into the ground, and it came undone here. So I'm just going to clean up and tack weld it on, maybe a little reinforcement, and that should be good. So let's do this. Okay, I'm going to file inside this hole in case I try to do some welding in it. Man, I love this Chicago electric welder. I got it from Harbor Freight. It was probably $100, $115. I don't remember exactly how much it was, but great little deal on a flux core welder. It's been a lot of fun learning to use, and I'm hooked. It's fun. It's great for projects like this. Alright, here we go. Gonna weld. Alright, I may have gone a little overkill on the weld, but I filled up that bolt hole with weld and then tacked in a couple other places. Pretty sure that's gonna hold. So that's how the Bearded Giant globs on some weld to a garden hose rack for a buddy. What do you expect? He gets what he pays for, free. I'm just kidding. It's going to be fine. It's going to hold just fine. Please subscribe, like, do all that stuff. Got a couple links down in the description if you're interested in supporting the channel, helping me with some tools and t-shirts and whatnot, blah, blah, blah. Thanks a lot. Peace out. Take care, guys.